Hi friends, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of it's not working on your device on Netflix. You click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will search about Netflix and you click here. Then we click on first stop and we click OK. After that we click on storage. Here you will click on clear cache. After that you will turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.